Morning guys, Joel Frank here, market analyst for YouTrading, and this morning we're taking a look at the New Zealand dollar because in the last couple of hours it's been absolutely slammed. As you can see here on the chart, I've got Kiwi dollar here on 4-hour candlesticks, and you can see it's really been taking a hit in the last couple of hours. It's dropped from above 0.70 all the way to the low 0.6900s. And I believe that equates to a move lower of around 1.5% at the moment on the day, which is a big move lower for the Kiwi. You can see that before we talk about the fundamental reason for this drop, because there are some important reasons, you can see that there's probably been a bit of technical selling as well that's exacerbated this, because there was this kind of pennant that was being formed, or this wedge that's been broken. So some of the technicians might have been getting short. Adding to their reasons for getting short could have been the break below these moving averages here. You can see you've got the 50-day moving average here in green and the 21-day moving average here in orange. Those have both been broken below as well. Fundamentally speaking though, the main reason for the decline has been the fact that New Zealand overnight went back into a strict nationwide lockdown because they found, to be fair, they only found one, but they found one coronavirus case in Auckland, and obviously the tactic that New Zealand has used in the past is early hard lockdowns to completely eradicate the virus. And you know, I mean, they have come under a lot of criticism for that approach. Some calling it heavy-handed. However, New Zealand has largely avoided the high number of deaths that have been seen in other countries. So this kind of policy is still quite popular in New Zealand. But anyway, probably the key thing here, and one of the reasons why NZD has dropped so much, is the fact that this lockdown has come at a very bad time for the New Zealand dollar, because tomorrow the RBNZ was supposed to be hiking rates by 25 basis points, because before this lockdown, all was going well in New Zealand, and the RBNZ was actually worried about house price inflation and actual inflation, and the economy had been going strong. Now, as a result of this lockdown, you've got some analysts calling for the bank to now hold interest rates, and other analysts who say, okay, they're still going to hike 25 basis points, but then the forward guidance for more rate hikes is going to be more dovish and dependent upon what happens with this current outbreak and what happens with these lockdowns. So yeah, it's been a big knock for the New Zealand dollar. And if we sort of zoom out a little bit, you can see over the last couple of months, the Kiwi dollar has been trapped within this range. The bottom of this range has been down here around the 0.69 handle. It has struggled to break below that, but then equally it's struggled to break above the 0.71 handle. Well, now what we've got happening is we are testing the bottom of this range of the last couple of months. So obviously the pace of losses has slowed because we've run into a lot of support. If tomorrow we do get a very dovish outcome from the RBNZ, which is a big uncertainty right now. We're not sure what's going to happen with the RBNZ tomorrow. If they don't hike, if they say, oh yeah, if this lockdown goes on too long, we might even restart QE. Imagine if they said that. I personally don't think they will be that dovish. But if they did, well then that could be a catalyst to break below this recent range. Alternatively, say that they think the lockdown isn't going to last very long. We're confident the health authorities are going to get this outbreak under control. We're going to go ahead with our hike, and we're going to maintain hawkish forward guidance for more hikes. Well, then that could be a catalyst to send NZD back higher again. Although, truthfully, for NZD to move all the way back to the top of this recent range, we are going to need to see evidence that this outbreak in New Zealand has come under control, meaning the economy can reopen again. That's what's going to be needed for NZD to move back to the top of this range, as well as obviously if the US dollar strengthens a lot, that's going to make it difficult for NZD to recover as well. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next one.